Samsung Galaxy S26, S25 or S24 not charging? Let's fix it. Try these steps in order. Fix number 1. Check the charger. First, unplug the charger and reconnect it. Make sure the cable is firmly connected to both the phone and the charger. So make sure it is firmly connected. Nothing is loose. After that, if nothing happens, try another USB-C cable and charger that you know works. So here I will try this cable, and this cable is working. Fix number 2 is to check your USB-C port. So next we want to check this USB-C port for dust or lint. Debris can prevent the cable from making a proper connection. If you see debris, carefully remove it. Don't use any metal object or liquid inside the port. Here I have this tweezer. It is metal, so if you are using this metal tweezer, be extremely careful, just only for pulling things out. If there are stuff in here, try to blow it out if you can, but do not use any metal object in here. Use a plastic prior or something soft and gentle to clean the pot and make sure there are no dirt or debris. Fix number 3 is to turn on fast charging. So if your S26 charges but is charging too slowly, check fast charging. Here we swipe down and tap on settings, then go down and tap on battery. Next, go down and we look for charging settings. In here, make sure you turn on fast charging. If you are using wireless, then turn on fast wireless charging. Also, you will need a compatible charger and cable for fast charging to work. If your phone stops charging at 80%, check battery protection. So for fix number 4, we're going to check battery protection. Swipe down at the top and go into settings. Next, go down and tap on battery. Then scroll down and tap on battery protection. Over here, make sure you switch it off, because turning on battery protection sometimes can stop the battery charging past 80% or a certain percentage. So here, say if you select basic, when your battery is charged to 100%, charging will stop until the battery level drops down to 95. For maximum, you can set a threshold where your phone will stop charging. Okay, so that is battery protection. Fix number 5 is to check for moisture. If you see moisture detected warning, unplug the charger. Now don't try to force the phone to charge. Let the USB-C port around here dry completely before connecting the cable again. So sometimes moisture and water will somehow go into the charging port. If you try to charge it, then that can cause electrical damage. So prevent any charging while there is moisture in your charging port. Just allow it to dry. Do not use hair dryer or anything. Just let air dry by itself. That is the safest method. Fix number 6, let the phone cool down. If your S26 is very hot, charging may slow down or stop temporarily. Stop using the phone and let it return to a normal temperature before charging again. Finally, fix number 7 is to restart your Galaxy S26, S25 or S24. So here we'll power off or simply restart. So tap on it and then tap on restart and then restart your device. If restarting the device still does not solve the problem, you can try to force restart it, which it will completely clear out the memories. It does not delete your data, it just clear the memory. Anything that may have caused a bad cache or partition on your device, so you can press on the side button here and the volume down key, press and hold on both buttons for around 30 seconds and wait for the phone to restart, or keep holding until you see the Samsung logo appears on the screen. And that's it. So try all these different solutions and see if you can fix the problem with your phone not charging. If your S26 or 24 or 25 still won't charge after trying these steps, the problem could be the charger, the charging port, the battery at the back, or another hardware component. At that point, you need to have the phone checked by Samsung. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.